First one is crawl. Throughout my college life, I have always struggled to find a good, minimal, and efficient calendar app that can also integrate with my Google Calendar. Last year, when I was invited to Cron's early access, I had known that this is what I've been looking for. Cron is a very sleek looking calendar app that I legit keep open throughout my day. It does everything that you expect from a calendar app. Plus, you can assign different colors to different types of tasks. I absolutely love how it shows the day-long tasks on the top and deadlines at the bottom or at the particular time. And it syncs everything with the Google Calendar with all of your accounts. If this doesn't look cool to you, I don't know what will. Like if you ask me for a calendar app recommendation right now that I can use, Cron will be my recommendation without a second one. By the way, links to all the softwares can be found in the video description below. The second one is again a no-brainer. You guys already expect this in this video, that is Notion, which is a versatile and very well done software. I've been using Notion for more than 3 years now and I've been a huge fanboy of Notion ever since. Every single domain of my life, be it academics, future planning content for YouTube, keeping a budget, keeping track of investments, down to note-taking or keeping a journal, Notion has been the go-to app. It brings all of that into one software. I can promise you, you won't find such an all-rounder app. Notion currently has possible embeddings of more than 20 to 30 different apps and services including Google Drive, GitHub, Figma, Ripple. So there is something for each one of you. My favorite use of Notion are the pages called the Book of Sparks, where I write down small ideas, basically a small diary of mine where I write down ideas which I can make content later on. I have had Notion installed on my laptop, iPad, and also on my phone. The most impactful page for my YouTube content is the page called the Content Plan, and it is very easy to see how difficult a video is to make, and without Notion it will be even more messy. Working on multiple videos at the same time is also easier with Notion, as I can mark videos at which stage of the creation they are in. I don't want to go into other pages, trust me, I can go on for hours talking about Notion. Among other features, I can easily share projects and work with others on a single project. It's just that simple. On one click. Just one click. It's just simple. Well, if you are too lazy to write an essay or the code that you've asked to write is not really your cup of tea, well, no worries. Notion AI has arrived. Finally. Can't meet the word count requirement? Got you, homie. Notion AI can help you write that. You do not know the code that you're asked to code in? Say no more. Don't have time to read the whole thing? Come on, buddy. Who reads the whole thing? I mean, it's 2023, man. As if Notion wasn't the blind choice for being a management app, it is also free of cost. Notion AI just makes it even better. You can try Notion for yourself by clicking the first link in the description. Now to the next one. IIT Hyderabad as a college focuses a lot on research. As part of the BTech in AI program, I had to read, understand and even implement a few of the research papers. अगर तुमने कभी भी ये try किया, you will know how hard it is to grasp everything about it. It's honestly very scary to even start. Thankfully, I found this AI tool that helps me understand the papers more easily. You can just give it the link of the paper and typeset.io will script the whole paper, pick out the abstract, the important point, ideas, derivations and more for you to grasp as bite-sized information. And trust me, last semester I had to understand and explain 2 research papers, had to read, understand and implement 3 of them in Python. It was a lot of work, but typeset.io made it a lot easier and took the trauma out of it. Ki, okay, कर लूँगा. At least समझ आ जाएगा if I have typeset.io by my side. Now number 4 on this list is an iPad note-taking app called Notability. So this one is a little bit exclusive for the people only owning iPad. After the first semester, I honestly didn't want to attend any classes. Neither did I want to write notes. अब मुझे पता है कि if I attend all the classes and take notes in class, end में BT थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी. But it's so hard to get out of my room and go to class just to get bored. I mean, in most classes I do get bored. फिर मैंने एक दिन अभिषेक को iPad पे notes लेते हुए देखा. I don't know why, but I wanted to try the same. थोड़े रिसर्च के बाद I installed the app called Notability and bro, it's so fun taking notes on an iPad. Like पेपर में लिखने में वो मज़ा ही नहीं है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लास्ट ईयर में मैं जितने भी क्लासेस गया हूँ उनके में से 70 to 75% ये सोच के गया हूँ कि iPad में लिखने में मज़ा आएगा, और अगर क्लास बोर होने लगा तो no problem, I can just start scripting or start writing a script for a video without the professor knowing. I won't go into much detail about how to use Notability because it's very easy to use and navigate. I even wrote a few good assignments in it also. अगर तुम्हारे प्रोफेसर को दिक्कत नहीं है, all good. Overall, good experience. Definitely my second favorite app on my iPad. Now I know you guys मुझे tech bro consider नहीं करते क्योंकि मैं इस बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता, but I do have a degree which is coding related and I did do an intern in tech. So I am a fan of good tech and software. Do you want to know more about like these things? Do you want more tech related videos? If you want, do let me know in the comments below. But coding सिखाने मत बोल देना, वो नहीं कर रहा मैं. और तुम लोगों से ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं हो पा रही बहुत दिनों से, तो आई विल प्रॉब्ली मेक अ ब्लॉग लेटिंग यू नो कि ज़िंदगी में क्या चल रहा है. कॉलेज तो खत्म हो गई, सबको पता है. बहुत बड़ा वीडियो आया था, गो वॉच इट इफ यू हैवंट। तो ज़िंदगी में क्या चल रहा है, आगे के क्या प्लान्स है, ये सब कुछ चीज़ें धीरे धीरे आई विल स्टार्ट पुटिंग देम इन व्लॉग्स। एंड बहुत जल्दी बहुत सारे वीडियोस आने वाले, मोर देन आई एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बहुत सारे वीडियोस आने वाले हैं।
I'll see you in the next one. तब तक के लिए हंसते रहो। sayonara. कोर्स आ रहा है भाई, कोर्स।
So if you're still watching, thanks a lot for watching this video. Fuck, नाम भूल गया।